Hello everyone, welcome to the From the Bottom Fitness channel. Today we're going to go through something very basic on episode 1, and it's going to be chicken, broccoli, and rice. So right now we're going to go ahead and show you how to meal prep and cook chicken breast in the crock pot, and the seasoning we use, process, and take you step by step so you at home can learn and go through on your own chicken, broccoli, and rice. Again, this is episode 1. Meal prep 1. So as we progress, we'll go through, and try different, more complicated recipes out. Again, get ready for the show and let's go. Before we begin, I want to go ahead and show you that I'm using the Hamilton Beach crock pot, and the seasonings I'm going to use for today are going to be the Goya. You gotta have that. Let's go. Paprika, your black and white peppercorn grinder. Got your Mrs. Dash chicken flavor, and your lemon pepper. You gotta have that. And then last but not least, your roasted garlic and herb. Of course, you gotta have your broccoli. You need those. And your fresh chicken breast, of course. Your brown rice, a little bit of chicken broth. I usually use low sodium, but today I'm gonna try the regular one. You got a little sea salt in that powdered rice and a little bit of light butter. So those are your ingredients for today's episode. So once again, this is going to be your 30-day meal prep challenge. So every 30 days, we're going to try something new. And for this week, it's going to be the broccoli chicken breast, obviously. Next month, it's going to be something different, and so on and so forth. So if you want to stay tuned to some new ideas on meal prepping and just try to keep it fresh, stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. Click down below, and let's go. So you want to go ahead and get that excess juice that's been sitting in the package off your chicken breast. Go ahead and rinse that off with all your chicken breasts. Rinse, wash, and repeat. Next, you want to go ahead and get that excess fat off your chicken breast. We've got 5.5 pounds of chicken, so you're going to have a lot more fat that comes with it. So let's go ahead and take care of that while we have it. Alright, so I get the question. Why not cook it on the grill? Why not throw it in the oven? Why not just cook it on top of the stove? Listen, when you throw it in the crock pot, it's just so convenient, man. Guys, you're not going to go back to the conventional ways of cooking your chicken, man. It makes it too easy. You throw your chicken breast in there, you throw your seasoning in there, you throw your chicken stock or chicken broth in there, let it sit about 2.5 hours. Listen, you can walk away, pay some bills, walk away, hop on Call of Duty Warzone, whatever you want to do, you can walk away and do it. Just come back, take it out, prep it, it's good to go. It's easy, convenient, and efficient, and that's the way I like to go. So let's get it. All right, so it's been about an hour and a half, you guys. Right now we're just gonna check the progress, see how far it's going as far as the cooking, get that seasoning stirred up a little bit, and just see how it goes. Let's take a look. All right, nice and steamy, extra cheesy. All right, it's looking good, looking good, looking good. All right, let's give it about another, I'll say, hour, and we'll check on it again, and it should be about done. All right, guys, so the chicken's done. I'm gonna take one out, cut it open for you so you know when your chicken's done. Put it down there. All right, what you're gonna look for is make sure, cut through the thickest part of your chicken, and just make sure it's cooked all the way through. As you can see, it's falling apart. I'm gonna leave it in for another 30 minutes, and all this should be done. Let's get it. All right, guys, so the chicken's finally done. We're gonna let it cool off a little bit, get the temperature down, and now we're gonna go ahead and start cooking our rice and broccoli. Let's go. All right, so broccoli is pretty much straightforward. Put it in the pot, put it at a low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. Add a little bit of salt and pepper, and that is it. Brown rice is a little different, so for every cup of rice you want to add 2 cups of water. Today we're using about 2.5 cups of rice, so we're going to add a little over 4 cups of water. That usually lasts me 7 days, and it preps like 7 days worth of rice, so it comes out perfect. Add a little salt, add a little light butter for some flavor. Bring it to a boil, let it cook, simmer it down, ready to go. All right, guys, now we have our chicken, broccoli, and rice done cooking, cooled off. Now let's get to the time to meal prep. Let's get it. All right, guys, we are all done here. The chicken, broccoli, and rice is finished. If you found this content helpful, make sure you hit that like button down below and subscribe. This is Tony signing off from FromTheBottomFitness. Make sure you guys tune in to the next episode. It's gonna be a crazy one. Till next time, let's check out the food, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.